Hello, fellow home gardeners. Are you dreaming of vibrant blooms greeting you right outside your door next spring? Imagine waking up to a burst of color, even before the rest of your garden fully awakens. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of spring bulb container gardens. This is your foolproof guide to creating stunning displays that offer continuous color, transforming any patio, porch, or balcony into a springtime paradise. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are truly spectacular. Let's get planting. Container gardening offers incredible flexibility. You can move your blooming displays exactly where you want them, whether it's to brighten a shady corner or showcase them prominently. This is perfect for small spaces, balconies, or even just adding a pop of color to your front steps. Containers also provide better control over soil conditions and can help deter some common garden pests. Plus, they make succession planting a breeze, allowing you to enjoy flowers for weeks on end. It's gardening on your terms, with maximum impact. The secret to continuous color lies in choosing a variety of bulbs that bloom at different times. Think of it as building layers of beauty, from early spring to late spring. We'll be using a technique called lasagna planting for this. For early spring, consider cheerful crocuses, snowdrops, or miniature daffodils. These are the first to pop up, often even before the last frost has melted away. They bring that much-needed splash of color after a long winter. Mid-spring favorites include classic daffodils, hyacinths, and early blooming tulips. These provide a robust display, filling your containers with delightful fragrances and bold hues. They are the heart of your spring show. For late spring, opt for later blooming tulips, alliums, or even some fritillaria. These extend your container garden's beauty well into early summer, ensuring your display remains captivating as other garden plants begin to flourish. Mixing these varieties ensures a dynamic and evolving spectacle. The right container is crucial for your bulb garden's success. Size matters. Choose a pot that is at least 12 to 18 inches in diameter and depth to accommodate multiple layers of bulbs. This provides ample space for root development and layering. Drainage is non-negotiable. Ensure your container has at least one good drainage hole at the bottom. Without proper drainage, bulbs can rot, leading to a disappointing display. You can add a layer of gravel or broken pottery at the bottom, but it's not strictly necessary if your potting mix is good. Consider the material and aesthetics of your container. Terracotta, plastic, ceramic, or even galvanized tubs can work beautifully. Just remember that terracotta dries out faster, while plastic retains moisture longer. Choose something that complements your home and garden style. Your bulbs need the right foundation to thrive. Always use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix specifically designed for containers. This provides the aeration and nutrients your bulbs require. Avoid using heavy garden soil as it compacts easily and retains too much moisture, which can lead to rot. A good potting mix will allow excess water to drain away quickly while still holding enough moisture for the bulbs. You can also mix in a slow-release granular fertilizer at planting time. This will provide a steady supply of nutrients as your bulbs grow and bloom. Now for the fun part, planting. This lasagna method ensures continuous blooms. Start by adding a few inches of your potting mix to the bottom of your chosen container. This forms the base layer for your deepest bulbs. Next, place your largest, latest blooming bulbs on this soil layer. Think of tulips or alliums here. Arrange them fairly close together, but not touching, with the pointed side facing upwards. Cover these bulbs with another 2 to 3 inches of potting mix. Now it's time for your mid-season bloomers, like daffodils or hyacinths. Place these bulbs on top of the soil layer, staggering them so they don't sit directly above the lower bulbs. Again, ensure the pointed side is up. Cover them with another layer of potting mix. Finally, add your earliest bloomers, such as crocuses or miniature daffodils, to the top layer. These smaller bulbs can be placed closer together. Top off the container with potting mix, leaving about an inch or 2 of space from the rim for watering. Gently water your newly planted container thoroughly. This settles the soil around the bulbs and kickstarts their dormancy period. Your container is now ready for its winter rest, patiently waiting for spring. After planting, your container needs a cool, dark period to chill and develop roots. If you live in a mild climate, you can leave the container outdoors in a sheltered spot. In colder regions, you might need to protect it. Consider moving your container to an unheated garage, shed, or even burying it in the garden for insulation. The goal is to keep the soil consistently cool but not frozen solid for extended periods. Check the soil periodically and water lightly if it feels completely dry. Once spring arrives and you see green shoots emerging, move your container to a sunny location. Water regularly, especially as the plants grow and bloom, keeping the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Reduce watering once the foliage starts to yellow. Once your beautiful blooms have finished their show, resist the urge to cut back the foliage immediately. The leaves are crucial for photosynthesizing and storing energy back into the bulb for next year's blooms. Allow the foliage to yellow and die back naturally. You can deadhead spent flowers to prevent seed formation, which also directs energy back into the bulb. Once the foliage has completely withered, you have a few options. If your bulbs are hardy in your zone and the container is large enough, you can leave them in the pot for next year. Alternatively, you can lift the bulbs, clean them, and store them in a cool, dry, dark place until fall replanting. Or, if you prefer a fresh display each year, you can simply compost the spent bulbs and start anew next autumn. Many tulips, for example, perform best as annuals in containers. Don't limit yourself to just bulbs. Once your early bulbs start to fade, you can tuck in some cool season annuals like pansies, violas, or primroses around the emerging foliage of later bulbs. This adds another layer of color and texture. Experiment with different container groupings. A collection of 3 pots of varying heights and sizes creates a dynamic focal point. You can also choose a color theme, like all white and yellow for a classic look, or a vibrant mix of reds, oranges, and purples. Consider placing your containers strategically. Brighten up a dull entryway, add cheer to a patio dining area, or create a welcoming display by your front door. The possibilities are endless for bringing spring joy to every corner of your home. Sometimes, things don't go exactly as planned. If your bulbs don't bloom, it could be due to insufficient chilling time, improper planting depth, or poor drainage leading to rot. Ensure your bulbs get that crucial cold period. Pests like squirrels can be a nuisance. You can deter them by covering your freshly planted containers with chicken wire or netting until the shoots emerge. Some gardeners also sprinkle cayenne pepper on the soil surface. If your plants look leggy or weak, they might not be getting enough sunlight. Move your container to a brighter spot once growth begins. Remember, most spring bulbs thrive in full sun. Creating a spring bulb container garden is a truly rewarding experience. With a little planning and the lasagna planting method, you can enjoy a continuous parade of stunning blooms right outside your door. It's a foolproof way to bring vibrant color and cheer to your home. So, gather your bulbs, choose your containers, and get ready to transform your outdoor spaces. You'll be amazed at the beauty you can create. Happy planting and enjoy your spectacular spring display.